My life wasn't perfect, yeah, I know that now. When it came crashing down, all I know is that I need you around. When it comes crashing down, all I need is not to feel so much alone.
Hi guys and welcome, and in today's video we're gonna install finally the exhaust back on Benelli. Like you see in the beginning, the beginning of the video, final piece is arrived, and that is my old but new exhaust. This is the old exhaust from my bike, just redone in carbon fiber and put the carbon fiber end cap in here, and I think it's looked amazing. So, like you see here, all other pipes are finished and polished. If you want to know how to do that, you can look in description down below, where I have a separate video on that topic. So the plan is for today is to first install headers, then this 3-to-1 piece, then this catalytic converter pipe, which is hollow. I removed the catalytic converter, and in the end we are slapping this bad boy. After we finish with installing, we're gonna do we are going to do a sound test, and we're going to find out how this setup will sound. So let's get into it. Installing the exhaust back on the bike is a fairly simple process, because we have 3 springs, 6 nuts, and this one clamp for the carbon exhaust, and that's it.
Take me to your paradise.
So guys, the exhaust is finally back on the bike, and it's not very easy job because I have to remove this part here. I have to remove the license plate holder, but in the end I made it. Like you see, the exhaust look very nice and shiny and clean. We removed this butterfly valve here and smooth this part out, and I think it looks very clean. The exhaust pipe in the end in carbon looks very better than before, and I think this job is looking very nice. So now we have to do a little sound check to find out if the sound is a little bit different than before, and that will be all for today. I hope you find this video useful. I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you want to see more videos like this in the future, please subscribe, please leave a like, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers. Okay guys, that was the little sneak peek of the sound from the new exhaust. I didn't want to rev it as much because this was a first start of this year. First I want to check that the bike runs correctly, that all the fluids are okay, and then I will do a full sound test, and I will show you that in one of my future videos. Once again, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers!